Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Dimension. This tutorial video is about the basics of editing a video on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. In previous video I showed you how to import media into your Premiere Pro and how to use mark in and mark out. And in today's video I will teach you how to slow-mo your video shot and how to adjust volume level in your video. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into my PC so I can show you guys how to do some basic editing on Premiere Pro. So first thing that you're going to do is open your Adobe Premiere Pro. As you all can see, I've already opened the software on my PC. Now as you can see on my screen, I've already set up my timeline. We have different video shots put together on our timeline. Now what we will do is find a shot where we want to add slow-mo effect. Then after selecting the video shot, we will right click on the video. So in this case, I am going to select this first clip and add a slow motion into that video clip. So we will right click on that video that we have selected. Then we will go to speed and duration and click on that. Now we can slow down the video by changing it to let's say 40. Now the video will be slowed down by 40%. After this step, select frame blend. Frame blending is used to make the transition smooth so that the video shots looks flawless. So now we will play our video that we have put on our timeline and edit a slow motion too. So as you all can see on my screen, the first video clip that we have selected and added the slow motion is now actually in the slow motion right now. So that is how you are going to put slow motion into your video shot. Now now we come to a second editing technique, that is how to add music and how to adjust its volume on Premiere Pro. So as you all can see, I've already imported this audio file on my Premiere Pro. Now what I will do is put this music file on the timeline. Now as you all can see, I've put the music on my timeline. And now we have the music on our timeline. So we are going to adjust its volume level. Now what I will do is I'll just zoom in through this bar, and what I'm going to do is adjust its volume. So you see this thin line over here? It's the thing that controls the volume level. So if I let's say lower this thin line, so the volume becomes low. Let me just show you how. So I'll just play the video. So you can see now the volume is pretty low. And if I turn this thin line upwards, so now you can see the volume goes up. So that is how you are going to select and adjust the volume of your audio that you're going to put in your timeline. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be back next week with a different part of this tutorial where I'll be covering other editing techniques. Till then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep watching Digital Dimension.